Alright, I just bought this 1969 Camaro. It's an RS. It's a real RS. Obviously, it needs a little bit of work. It's got power brakes and power steering. It's a 350, obviously not the original motor. Rally wheels, 14-inch rally wheels. The interior is actually not in bad shape, except for the headliner. So I definitely have to replace the headliner, but everything else I'll probably get rid of those switches and everything, but everything else, and if you can hear it, doesn't sound too awful bad. The trunk is actually not bad, doesn't look like there's any rust. There's obviously some service rust different places. Sounds pretty good, doesn't even have headers on it. Yeah, Arizona car. But definitely needs some work. So that's going to be my project. Be posting videos hopefully weekly. '69, always been my favorite car. First car I ever had. Bought a new fender, driver's side, so that might be the first thing I try to tackle. Obviously it needs some sanding, a little primer. I'm kind of impressed about the interior. So anyway, tail lights don't work. That's always been a problem, hasn't it?